Gematria exposure operation. This is Zaya. I hope everyone's doing okay tonight. Tonight's lesson is going to be about demonic attachment. It's going to get deep. Very, very deep. And I hope you're ready for it. Because it's going to blow your mind. When you understand through the decode and what Gematria really does, you pick up on the true nature of an exposure on what you can do. But tonight, this decode will absolutely blow your mind. So you gotta make a choice right now. Do you trust what I'm about to show you? Can you do the decode yourself? Understand what we're about to talk about is demonic attachment. And I'm telling you right now, before I even get into the decode, it's in the palm of your hand always. Always. It's existing in the presence physically. It's a physical thing too. That's the crazy thing. But when you realize how it works, it plays a part of why you use it every day. Every single day. And it's like we're stuck in this hypnosis. Makes sense, right? But when you realize it's all the same pattern, no matter which way you look at it. It gets deep, but I'm literally going to shatter the whole bulletproof shield on this. Get it? You'll pick it up soon. Never forget about the sigil. Sigils play a big part in witchcraft. And that's the basic sigil of Satan. A sigil is basically, it's like a written spell, you could say. And once it's written, it stays. That's the thing. So are you afraid of the dark though? Because this is when we're about to really get deep. Real deep. But understand the topic we're talking about is demonic attachment. So how does that play part with something in your hand? Well, technology plays a big part here. Digital magic. M-A-G-I-K. And it gets real technical. And this is Tron, if you was wondering. But when you understand symbology and circuits, circuit boards, motherboards, components, and computers, you understand it's a different reality. Literally. So you got to get in and understand the journey. Because it's about to get real crazy. And from this point on, you're going to be careful. because I'm about to show you the key. Pay attention. What you're about to see is a big wake-up call. And it gets real wild. But when you understand when I'm talking about your cell phone, then you're gonna really wake up. What if I told you your cell phone is witchcraft? Actual black magic. And you've had it for years. Many years. We all have. As I'm speaking to you now, I'm making the video on my cell phone. But understand, it's the way you use your cell phone. Do you allow it to have control of you? This is where you make a choice, my friends. Make a choice. You gotta ask, what is real? Because I'm telling you, it's not real. The whole reality we all lived in isn't real. What is real is Gematria. It exposes the reality. And that's what I do daily. From this point on, you'll be able to predict everything. There's no stopping nothing. So let's jump into this decode and see how deep we can actually go in the script. And I'll expose as much as I can for you. So, we're going to start at demonic attachment. So remember these numbers because it gets real deep right here. And I'm only going to break down this one deep for you. So, we're going to jump back and forth here. Remember these numbers. 168. Oops. 69. 291. 39. Right? So, that being said, you see how I moved it over here to the side instead of the middle? We're not in the middle no more, we're over to the left. You can see the blinking over there. Well, 168, I'll put periods between here so I can show you I'm breaking these down. I'll be breaking these down layer by layer for you. So, starting here, 168. 1 stays, right? Hopefully you're following me. 8 times 6 equals 48, right? The 1 still stayed, right? Break it down one more, because you still got the 1. 48 minus 1 equals 47. 47 equals Lucifer. And Jesus Christ. It's a duality number. 47 is. Remember that. just like in the parking garage decode I did today. Now, go to 69. 69. 9 times 6 equals 54. Break that down one more time. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 9 equals hell. Right? Not help, help. Which help could be in hell too. So 291, hopefully you're following. Remember, the 1 stays. You're going to take 9 times 2 equals 18. Drop that. The 9 disappears now, and the 2. They both become an 18. Now you pick up the 1 that you left above, right? 18 plus 1 equals 19. Break it down again. Now we're into the third paradox of the new matrix, Numatrix. After you broke down into the Gematria, the first layer is the crust, the surface layer is the crust, then you get down to the Gematria, then the new matrix. Well, down here in the 291, you got the surface, the Gematria, and then the new matrix. And now we're going into the deeper paradox, which is the deeper matrix of the numbers. Now, you got 18 plus 1, because the 1 was we left at the top, remember? 291, 9 times 2 is 18. And then we took 18 plus the 1 we left up top is 19. Go down. 9 times 1 equals 9. The same 9 equals hell. Right? Not help. Did it again. Then 39. Now we're at 39. 39 is 9 times 3 equals 27. Right? Break that down again. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 9 equals hell. See that, right? See how I broke those down? And we'll jump back to the decode. I just broke down demonic attachment, every single number to show you. That 168 up here, 168 is 1 stays, 8 times 6 is 48, 48 minus the 1 that stayed is 47, 47 we both know, which I'll show you right here, I'll pull it up. Jesus, see the 74 right there, which is a 47, mirrors, but even Jesus Christ equals 47 in reverse and reverse full. 46, 146 is 46 plus 1 is 47, and then you got a 74, which is reverse 47. Deep, deep. So that's how you got to understand it's a duality, because Jesus died and he'll come back as the Messiah, and Lucifer will come back as the Antichrist. Duality. Yin and yang, as above, so below. It's deep. Now remember, demonic attachment equals 168, 69, 291, and 93. So let's put in cell phone. Now I showed you through the decode up here, hell equals 9, right? I'll pull it up. Hell equals 19, which is 1 times 9. See up here? You can do right here. Right there. 1 times 9 is 9. Got 19. 1 times 9 is 9. Literally. Right there. Not heal, that's supposed to be hell. It just auto-corrected, so it still comes up the same way. But hell equals 9 and 7. And 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 7 times 1 is 7. Or 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9. It's deep. It's deep, guys. But cell phone equals 90. Which 90 is 0 has no value. So it's 9. Same as hell's 19. Right on the surface crust. Also, hell equals 45. The same 45, and this is where it gets deep. It's the same 45 in demonic attachment. Because demonic attachment... Oh, actually, it's the same 6... My bad, sorry about that. It's the same... 45 is the same in demonic attachment, though, in the 69. Right below. Because 69 is 9 times 6 is 54, which is 45. See it right here? 9 times 6 is 54, but in Gematria, we're unveiling the script, so seeing it as a 45 is the 54, and a 54 is the 45. Interesting, huh? So it's hidden paradox. Cell phone, demonic attachment. You see how it's not going to show you the black magic? Cell phone equals 153, which is 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count it out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Literally. The same 9 in hell. Do I gotta add that one up? And you can even see it's a mirror right down below. But you can't flip it like that. I can't turn 36 into 93. You can turn 36 into 63, but not 93. But it still proves either way. 6 plus 3 is 9 in hell. Literally. Interesting. And I'll show you, I'll pull up hell again without that apostrophe in there. See, it's the same. It don't matter if you add periods or anything. Nothing changes when you add periods. So, it's a phrase. Words and phrases. See? So, demonic attachment and cell phone are literally connected straight through the cipher. And I showed you through a deep breakdown. Let me pull this back down here. On the first number there was demonic attachment. I showed you here, remember this, take notes. That's how that works. Check it out, look. Surface. Crust. Match. Gematrix is the next layer. Then the new matrix, right? And then the paradox matrix, which it gets very deep. But when you get to that third level, you want to keep breaking that number down till you get to that single number. But when you get to like 47 and Lucifer and Jesus Christ, that's a duality number. That's a big number. Ritual numbers. Very ritual. Hope you guys like that decode. And I hope you understand your phone is connected to you in many ways. You're always getting updates. Your phone can almost instantaneously know what you want. And then they're starting to be able to update it more to where you're going to get better updates for this kind of software. That's why you kind of get those weirded out things when you get online and it already knows what you want, but you don't even remember typing it in. Makes sense, huh? That's AI algorithms working at its best. That's that black Babylonian magic. Never forget about it. Dark art rituals, ritual practices. Pay attention, my friends. It gets deep. But don't forget I showed you the key. It's a journey, so don't forget. Be careful how you use your phone. And don't let it have control of you. Much love, guys. Much love. Stay woke.